Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mini churros at home. First, let's prepare the dough. You'll need 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Bring these to a boil in a saucepan. Once boiling, remove from heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix vigorously until the dough forms a smooth ball and pulls away from the sides of the pan. This ensures a perfect base for your crispy treats. Now that your dough is ready, it's time for the fun part, piping and frying. Load your warm dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip, about 1/2 inch wide. Heat approximately 3 cups of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 2 to 3 inch long churros directly into the hot oil, cutting them with scissors. Fry them in batches for about 2 to 3 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Once your mini churros are perfectly fried, it's time to give them their signature sweet coating. In a shallow dish, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. As soon as the churros come out of the oil, drain them briefly on a paper towel to remove excess oil. While they are still warm, toss them generously in the cinnamon sugar mixture until each churro is completely coated. Serve these delightful treats immediately with chocolate sauce or dulce de leche for an extra special touch. To ensure your mini churros are always a success, here are a few pro tips. Firstly, maintain a consistent oil temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. A thermometer is very helpful here. Secondly, fry in small batches to avoid overcrowding the pan, which can lower the oil temperature and make your churros greasy. Using a large star tip, about 1/2 inch, creates those iconic ridges. Finally, always serve your churros warm for that irresistible crispy exterior and soft interior. Enjoy your homemade mini churros.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.